A cozy and rustic house plan, especially one suitable for alpine or woodland settings, embodies a warm and inviting ambiance that harmonizes with the natural surroundings. Here are some characteristics and features of such a house plan. Natural materials. These homes often use natural materials like wood, stone, and sometimes log construction, which blend seamlessly with the surrounding environment. Exposed wooden beams, log walls, and stone fireplaces are common elements. Warm and earthy colors. The color palette is typically warm and earthy, with shades of brown, green, and warm neutrals dominating the interior and exterior. These colors create a sense of coziness and connection to nature. Large windows. Expansive windows allow for ample natural light and provide breathtaking views of the natural surroundings, such as forests, mountains, or lakes. Fireplaces and wood stoves. A central fireplace or wood-burning stove is a focal point, offering both warmth and a sense of traditional rustic charm. Open floor plans. Many rustic homes feature open floor plans that create a spacious and inviting atmosphere. This design is conducive to gatherings and entertaining. Vaulted ceilings. High, vaulted ceilings with exposed beams enhance the feeling of openness and provide a sense of airiness. Cozy nooks. Built-in reading nooks, window seats, or alcoves with comfortable seating are often included to create intimate and cozy spaces within the larger open plan. Wooden interior finishes. Wood is a prominent feature, not only in the structure but also in interior finishes. Wood paneling, wooden floors, and wooden cabinetry contribute to the rustic aesthetic. Natural stone accents. Natural stone, such as in kitchen countertops or bathroom features, adds an organic element to the interior design. Outdoor living spaces. These house plans often include ample outdoor living spaces, such as decks or porches, where homeowners can enjoy the fresh mountain or woodland air. Efficient insulation. Given their typical location in alpine or woodland settings, these homes are usually well insulated to withstand cold winters and maintain warmth. Rustic decor. Decor elements may include antler chandeliers, animal hides, and vintage or handmade furnishings to reinforce the rustic theme. Proximity to nature. Rustic homes in alpine or woodland settings are often situated to take full advantage of their natural surroundings, with hiking trails, ski slopes, or lakes nearby.